Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. Okay, so today I'm going to show you this condominium at South Buona Vista Road. Okay, it's very nice. It's surrounded by all the greeneries. Okay, as you can see at the back. So what I've done is to blend the outside, all the greens, with the inside of the unit. Okay, so that the design and the nature, right, they blend in very well together. So as you can see here, there's also one of the balcony. Okay, so this balcony is actually facing the forested area. So I think that makes a very interesting outdoor seating for the homeowners. Okay, so without further ado, let me just show you what I proposed. Okay guys, let's go inside the unit itself. Okay, so far this layout, this is the second time I've done this layout. Okay, so this is the entrance foyer. Okay, as you can see, the entrance foyer is a bit dark. So the main door is actually facing this plain wall here. Okay, so I think it's quite an interesting feature for this wall to be facing the main door. Okay, so once entered, right, I'm gonna do some big format tiles. Okay, a bit like the stony look kind of texture, right, and the pattern, right. And then over here there'll be a planter. Okay, so this planter is like a floating planter. Okay, just facing the main entrance. So and over at this side here is actually the DB cabinet. Okay. So this DB cabinet will be replaced by a new one. Okay, there'll be some seating over here. Okay, and then this seating will join to the DB cabinet. Okay, so once you enter from the entrance, right, you'll see the living and dining. Okay, this living and dining is not really big. Okay, but it has got this double volume ceiling at about 4.6 meter. So I think that adds a very interesting feature for this unit. Okay, so once you walk into the living and dining, right, as you can see here, this is the dining area. It's very cramped. What you can, or how you can place the dining is just like that, okay, or like that. Okay, so if you place your dining table like this, then the sitting here, right, probably you need a bench. Okay? And then the chair will be outside here. Okay, so for this main feature wall, you don't need to go full height. Okay, because anything that is above this line, okay, is quite redundant, right? You can't really appreciate the design as well. So I will stop at this point here, or this line. Okay, and there's going to be a simple feature here, right, just to mimic the outdoor. Right, above there'll be some up truss light. So this up truss light, right, will help to illuminate the area much better. Over here and then here as well, and this row as well, there'll be up truss light. Okay, and this wall here is going to be demolished. Okay, so remember, if you want to demolish any walls in the condominium, doesn't matter if it's partition wall like this or brick wall, right? You need a professional engineer endorsement. Condo management, we always ask for a PE endorsement, right? So only then you can get approval for the hacking of any walls. Okay, so just take note of that. Okay, so once this wall is hacked, right, it's going to be an open study area. So this study table is going to face outwards. Okay, so facing outwards, right, there's a table, right, a writing table, and then two open display at the left and right side. Okay, this two open display is in the sense that it helps to support the floating table. Okay, so this floating table does not have any legs. Okay, and you can see the lights are very high up. Okay, so what to do with all these very high ceiling lights? Over here, there'll be some pendant lamp. What you can do is to terminate these two light points and just leave one for pendant lamps. where now is the dining, right? The dining has been shifted out to the balcony. I think it's more fun to have a dining area at the balcony, and it's also more spacious. Okay, and then you'll be dining in the outdoor, besides just the forested area. Okay, so over here I'm going to build a long bench, okay, with a suspended ledge. Okay, so this is a higher ledge where they can sit and enjoy the night coolness. Okay, right, so the low bench should be here. Then they're going to buy a table, right, and then a few more stools at the right side here. Okay, I want to show you guys, these are the big format tiles. Okay, it's very big, 1005 by 750 mm. Okay, so where all these tiles going to be installed? Right, it's going to be here, okay, at the main entrance, facing the main door. Okay, it's got this very nice marble grain. Okay, it's not marble, it's just porcelain tiles. Okay, so it's going to be installed here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hi guys, just want to show you this low bench at the balcony. Okay, my tiler has already constructed using the lightweight brick, okay, as you can see. Okay, and then in between there's a skeleton or some middle support, right? Because on top is going to be this mount steel sheet. The entire mount steel sheet will actually just be pasted on top. Okay, I think the most important thing about this bench is the water drainage. Okay, because as you can see, today is raining, and what if there's some heavy rain and the rainwater actually flows into the balcony? Okay, this unit not too bad because it's being covered by the vegetation in front. But what if your unit is a high-rise, high-floor unit? Normally the wind is very strong. Okay, and it's always good to make sure that the water flows into the trench smoothly, so there's no water ponding at the sitting area. So let me just show you what I've done. So first of all, you must look at where is the main floor trap. Okay, so there's a small floor trap here. Okay, that's the main one. Okay, so importantly is you must have access. Okay, so how to have access? This bench actually goes all the way. So there's this movable panel that is over here. Okay, of course we have to make it more secure, right? You can remove it and clear whatever debris or chokage, right? So make sure the width is wide enough so your hand can go in and open the floor trap. Okay, and because this is a trench, okay, or a drain, all the water will flow into this floor trap. So make sure there's this cutout, okay, for the water to flow. It's always good to have it higher. Okay, you won't know when there's a heavy rain, the water will just gush down the floor trap. Okay, not for this unit, but maybe for your unit. Okay, so every middle section, right, there's a cutout. Okay, so this is the side of the cutout. Okay, if you allow this height, right, it's also good because you can use something like a pole or something to clear the chokage. Okay, you can push maybe some dead leaves or what all the way, okay, to the other side, and then maybe you can retrieve it. Okay, but I think it's just to just have a peep through, right? See there, so you can see if there's any chokage inside the trench. Okay, so it's always good to have slightly higher cutout. Okay, so take note of this, that's very important. And always look at the lowest point of this floor, okay, because you won't know how the developer constructs or lay this flooring, you must see where's the lowest point. So we check that the water actually flows out this way. Okay, it's not this way, right, or diagonally to the floor trap, but just vertically out. So if you construct a mesh like that, right, all the front is being covered up. Okay, definitely you need to have access for the water to flow out. Okay, and we have checked that the lowest point is somewhere here in the middle of the bench. So I'll ask my color to do a cutout as well. Okay, so this piece can be removed. Okay, but it's being nicely covered. There's a small gap at the bottom, so water can still flow through. So one here, and to be safe, there's one more here. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, and there's one here as well. This is the big piece of towel to cover, and then there's a gap at the bottom as well. Okay, so take note of this, very important, because you don't want your whole balcony to be flooded with water when there's a heavy rain.